Welcome this video. Pouch area in the garden. Create a way to enhance your green space. Gardening have allume beyond rope to plants and traditional flower bed. Today, pots and containers are and part of the modern gardening. Often various versatile gardening style, whether you work with a long beyond or a smart balcony use pot can be part personally and to your gardening space. We explored unique pouch idea for your gardening but blue aesthetic with functional make your outdoor space versatile pouch gardening. If space is limited to various vertical pouch gardening not only space save but also strike and appear space pouch in arrangement have theme on wall or a unique shade. Choose a mix of heart, flower, and term plant like to create a effect. Use wall moment hand pouch. PVC type or wood plants can be drawn into various hot for smart pouch. Great for balcony and pouch. Theme pouch arrangement. Design pouch arrangement theme to create interior and term in your gardening. Popular theme Tropical Paradise Long in Tropical Pouch Hub Clean Pouch with theme Use succulent showcase a various of succulent in show. Repurpose constraint pouch. You will create by household theme or pouch. This not only read wash but add quick charm to your gardening. Explore old burst or pouch. Wood create or theme for Rustic theme, various hub or type watering, a statement price, hold at paradise to add various as the base, theme for long and various appear. added for pouch. Growing your pouch fruit using pouch for promax and papering letter term pouch can be a productive part for your added gardening idea. Your long continent to root vegetable like canvas and bat term in long pouch for fiberglass pouch max added pouch like for both beauty and unity. Water resisting and use natural pouch and pouch display. Add layout to your gardening with hand pot. There are perfect for balcony, pergola, and overhand plants idea. Use highlights pouch and statement hub. Max height and textile various interior. Pouch and personal pouch. Add a personal touch by decoration your pouch and pouch not only make your gardening unique, also make for great family craft attach. Idea pouch along hub. Tranquil pouch with or name. Use outdoor soft pouch kids for the fun weekend project. Maximize pouch gardening. If your protect order and elegant to maximize pouch gardening may be your space. Use maximize pouch with smart choose like boho line. Part in unique custom with a balcony or design seasoning pouch display. Change your pouch arrangement with the season to keep your gardening fresh and diplomatic year round. Stone seasoning boiled in cool part when not only use. Use removable inside decoration pouch for easy plot side. Fits gardening pouch. Turn your pouch into the magical fit gardening world to tiny house to maximize plants. What's you need? Smart, succulent or mulch. Maximize gardening access. Part is in the shade area. Hard great project for child or theme evening. Water functional pouch. Bring traditional to your gardening with a pouch. Water functional use long creative pouch I use with a smart water pool to create boho fountain and water fountain. Keys in long for night time embrace. Mobile pouch gardening. pull your pouch or while. This allow you to move plant for better sunlight explode to the product theme. Matter valve idea. Use rolling old card idea for fiber patio or rooftop gardening. Use highlights, constrain, pouch, lock, while and fontaine. Funly touch. Pouch often early opportunity and transforming any space into a lush, careful and functional gardening. While your water work with the scroll yard or a choosy balcony, those are pouch idea that funnel your touch and space.